Guys, how are you today? I'm back with another video. I'm playing more about my dog girlfriend. Here we go. And did you check out my first one? Okay, this is where we left off. No, this isn't going to work on me. There's no changing my mind. Now stop testing me. You can't let my emotions get too out of hand. That's not how business works. Their ears dropped again until took it seriously. I can't. Is that how it is? I see. If the spike in panic gets she leaves? Okay. Don't be nice, Harley. See what happens. I'm not going to start my journey in business. I didn't expect such a sad and solid reaction. It causes me to feel at odds. I'm not sure what to do next. But I found an arranged in time for delivery. Tomorrow they leave. Stay with you alone. Where did you get that idea? This is for the best. First off, I didn't make this choice. Well, yeah, I didn't make this choice. Great. Restart episode. Restart this episode. Try to. Okay. I did try and. It looks so painful. You know. How should I use my mouth, that girl? Tongues can heal wounds. You too. Wait, what are you? I like that only to see my morning glory and full glory. Full glory, okay. Energy for the morning. That's not going to happen. Stop fooling around! I know there's something here. Well, these seats are forced to me. What was it about this one? You're like a zombie in the morning. You're a zombie. I remember how we used to have morning walk each Do you think he's having a mental breakdown? I turned to both fingers and spread on my face. He tore surprisingly quit to forget certain things. I always liked going for morning walks. Funny how I'd forgotten how it gets me speeding along my day. I can't use the title this time. They sense that they've one. Can't do this juice. There we go. Let's do down back in. Could you help us put them home? Nope, 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 nope. No. I can't. No, way. I can do this with my eyes closed. So I guess. And then my eyes closed. Okay. The two aren't too different, considering how much you like trying on new outfits. Okay, my eyes are open. Good mask. Just kidding, my eyes are still closed. Yeah. Okay, my eyes are open now. I need to push onto this to prevent. Okay. Maybe with a full mouth feeding in a non-stop way dogs do. I wonder if she might fall over from the cliff. Oh, this? Those are flyers, I think. I'm surprised Kai has heard of them. Even from my events. Oh, great. I mean, I'm such a cool dog girl. Yeah, I guess. I'm not about to become a fan. I meant it's correct that these are it's correct that these are flyers. He's like he wants to eat them. Okay, shut up. No, I'm not too happy with that. The designer did a bad job. I could learn the repetition even I want a homely, classy feel. Oh, attention is good attention. Oh, I think you're too positive. Bad reputations don't work well for food places. We can help you to find another way to. Yes, we'll see. Hey, what are you? They're very cute and they're very well trained. I can tell they were raised as well. I come from a family who loves dog girls. However, this is my first time dealing with them on my own. So I need to know more about this. Yes, this becomes quite complex. So the most important thing is to teach them how to speak well. Speak well, because they already know how. I think you can focus on behavior rather than training. Being able to recognize certain things will help to relate to them. Okay, what do you recommend? Please, would you let me ask you a few questions first? Okay, fine. That might be a bit intimidating, but you have two rather attractive dog. Okay, I already know that because the fan came up here. I can help you to make more decisions. Ask the question. Answer the questions. Okay, I really want to do that, but I can't. Oh well, you changed your mind. Something I asked on her tone. That guy is a little too low. Always consistent with their behaviors. Attractiveness? Because yours could be miles, they will. Wait. So, isn't the relationship being on television? Your dog girls will have a high. You mean a sex drive? And it's called Hot Dog Girls on their signs. The title seems inappropriate. I'd recommend this one. It should give everything you need to know. Most of your confusion can be drawn to instincts, all which are covered in this book. Lastly, there's something you should know. I'm sure both of your girls are in heat. Yes, which means they'll be constantly thinking of great. Highest freaking male. Oh no. She pauses a moment. I suspect that would be. Really? Wait, not only did I just play this game. Okay, I played this game, and now this is already getting too weird. This is really inappropriate. What do I do? I can't really make that decision for you. What does that mean? You just get to be aware of it. Okay. You'll always be there for us. But to spend the rest of my... Oh no. I don't intend on letting you go. When your dog girl's mouth parts open, she's thinking of using her tongue in you. No. No way, no. Oh wait, it's dark already? Okay. Against my will, images of little in my thoughts. Running around through my mind. But I feel a sudden feeling in my stomach. I can't make with dog girls. What am I? I'm doing by building in them. I'm like breaking their hearts, just like the other one. Her. Wait a minute, is that... Okay, let's check this. Okay, I don't know, but is something gonna happen? And okay, the character that I'm playing, also known as me, what does it mean by her? Okay, thanks then. We're pleased to serve you. Well, you don't have to speak so quick. I didn't expect this low in numbers. Indeed, we only look for an hour to test. Let's remain to see how our operations are. Good morning. She's coming. Okay. Okay, can you stop rushing can you stop Okay, Brizza, can you stop speaking so quick? Take over serving, announce the... Girls, take a seat. I'll handle the customers for now. They're a customer. Is everything okay? Good morning. We're just... The dog girls are rather adorable. Agreed. Agreed. If you take a seat, I'll serve you an order. There you go, it's from the cooler. I think we need more staff power. You might be right. So we're whispering so they can't hear us. If you really want some physical contact for the cafe, seeing as the customers seem to like the concept. Do you find her on this? What? Well, it's not on to explain the concept of the internet to the girls. They aren't all too interested in technology or phones. Perhaps the biggest difference between girls and fully... Oh, yeah. My sister can't keep off the phone. Only misses her. Me too. I'm sure we'll see her at some point soon. Wait a few seconds. My laptop beeps. Oh! She's very pretty. Agreed. Oh, yeah. She looks rather... Anyway, for now, there's a buzz from the downstairs door. Who could that be? Is that her? Greetings of mine. You must find me. Okay, how did she get there? Okay, first off, how did you get here this fast? Maybe I will need to take over management. Hey, just wait a minute. Okay, looks like she has a lot of, I guess she has a lot of energy, I guess. Second, this is too loud. Let me turn it down. Okay. Oh, great. That you are a very annoying person. These two do not look like they're going to be a good match. Yeah, many chosen women in my life. This one was my girlfriend. She's in one of her controlling moods. Hello, nice to meet you. Wait, I didn't say anything about hiring her. Well, okay, and why are you... Seriously, what? Firstly, I didn't say this was your 15th establishment. And second, it seems like you've worked for so many different places. Not so loud. Doesn't get along with cash. She needs to book an appointment. How's your qualifications? Okay, I actually don't know. Okay, guys. For this question, what should I choose? I mean, that wasn't what I meant, and you don't need to talk so loud. It's known to be very My breed is known to be very loud. Huh, okay. This isn't going to be an easy place to work for your personality. I think you're talking this minute a little too lightly. This is a quiet place, not a club, and the customers will be demanding you'll be on your feet for hours at a time. You're wrong. Okay, but if you're going to say that, I'm going to need some reasons. Oh, great. Sorry, we're not open. No, don't refuse him. Hey, you're not even employed here yet. Don't give out orders. I understand perfectly well. You see it too? Yes, she's correct. He looks ghostly and pale. Are you okay? What's wrong with... First off, why isn't he talking? Okay, something seems terribly wrong. The eyes of every dog girl is panic. I think it's urgent. Allow her to help him. Okay. This is so not fair. If I didn't do that damn question to make her help. First off, Cat had to explain some stuff to a fan. To some guy, a fan. Yeah. And I just spent my rubies on a question that cost rubies to, so she can explain. So if I didn't do that question, then how do I say this? Now I can't allow her to help him. Look, I would help you to serve you on our opening day, which is not far away from now. Oh yeah. You almost hit the cement and then she just came here so fast. Something is very, very wrong with him. You need to call an ambulance. Does he growls at me angrily? Yes, of course. It was very sensible of you to call us so quickly. He'll be fine thanks to you. He must have hit his head, resulting in a concussion. Concussion? Again, thank you so much. No, it wasn't me. Please thank Maya here. Have a nice day. Well, what would you expect? Yeah, whatever. Well, that was quite impressive, I'll admit. Nice. Okay. Okay. This kind of having might end up being a tormenting experience. What do we need to do next? Shoot. I'll have to test you a little more before I make a decision. We have more time to do for stuff we are ready. Perhaps it's because I mentioned dinner, however. Then, I completed your request. Sure, you're real demanding and helpful, aren't you? Will we not be included in this game? Not a bad idea. Let's do it. Not so loud when we're in shops, okay? That isn't a to see who can be the loudest. Not really shop. Oh, they're not usually this loud. I'm really impressed that you can achieve this. This quietly understand. Let's see who can figure out this one. About 5 minutes to get me everything. This seems like a lot of work for a game. I do not trust it. Wait, this is a trick game. There's not even a time. There's not enough time. Huddle up. Seriously, they're huddling up again? They're huddling up, really? Okay, well, I can't deny it then. I think we could probably use you. Enough of that! Look, let's go home. Do you want... Oh, about that. I will need somewhere to stay as part of the contract. I'm new in town. And being only a dog, it is risky for me to be outside alone. The police might take me into... Oh. You can't be serious. So who's keen to find a free place to find... What if I had said no? You didn't. Ugh. Damn it. I think it has something to do with her being very good at that. Using my bed, and I'm going to be in the same bed as Maya. Though I am curious about her. At least she appears by my sofa and... Okay, I don't know why. I swallow long nights with her. I don't need the book to know that the look on her face suggesting something. Another trait of my breed is we are very forward. When we want something, we are aggressive about it. So again, Charlie, this makes me so nervous, but she's also... No, I shouldn't take it that way. Well, being... wait a minute. Pull her to you. No way! Because why would I want to do that? I'm not a damn pervert. Ordering her out of the room. I'm the one who sets rules in this house. Now get back to bed. I don't want to hear you mention kissing again, okay? See yourself. What are you doing? No one rejects me. You're such a loser. I'm not a loser! Doesn't seem to notice. Then she leaves. This can't be. And my hand is a locket with a full wrap inside it. There's someone I know. It's her. How do they know? And how the hell is that girl still alive? How the hell is that girl still alive? Wait a minute. Okay, in the last, chapter, episode. On the ending it said, it's her. Wait a minute. Does that mean that there was someone I used to hate back then? And then... Wait a minute, so that's a picture of Maya. The girl that I said, it's her. Yeah, whatever. And, how the hell is that girl still alive? Okay, I don't even know what the hell that means. But... So, I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. We're gonna see what happens. Bye!